How to download Adobe Illustrator for free in your Android device. So let's get dive into the process. First of all, you have to navigate to the Google Play Store in your Android device. Once you are on your Android device, you can see the search icon which is on the bottom right corner of this screen and navigate to your search bar. Once you are on your search bar, you have to search for the Adobe Illustrator. So here you can see the Adobe Capture or Illustrator PS option. Here just go for that and tap on the install option. And here you have to wait until the 100% has been successfully completed and the Adobe Illustrator will be successfully downloaded to your device. So after that, here you can see that after the completion of 100%, the Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Capture has been successfully downloaded on my Android device. So if you want to use your Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Capture, just go for the open option and you have to after that, you can enjoy using your ad of capture or you can go for the sign up or sign in option here. So follow the on screen instruction to use your ad of capture. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.